24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Preposition. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Learning objectives. Students should be able to identify prepositions in the text. Use prepositions to tell the position of an object. Introduction. Play a game with the students using where is, where are. For this, you'll need a box and a small toy animal like a monkey, cat, etc. Before the class, put the toy inside the box. In the class, tell your students to sit down and take out the box. Rattle the box and have your students rattle the box. And try to guess what's inside. Take out the toy and introduce it to the class. Also elicit the word box. Put the toy on the box and ask, where is it? Teach the preposition on and then say, it's on the box. Do the same for the rest of prepositions given in the book. Write a sentence on the board that is missing a preposition. The toy is the box. Tell the students that sentence doesn't make any sense. Explain that in this sentence, it is unclear how the toy and the box are related to each other. Now put the toy in the box and write the sentence again. The toy is in the box. Underline the preposition in the new sentence and explain that this word is a preposition. Read. A preposition is a word that expresses the relationship between a noun and another word. Here, the preposition tells us the toy is positioned in relation to the box. Recognition. Sing a song with the students and ask questions. Lyrics for Where Are My Things? It's time to play a game, but where are my things? Where are my things? Where are my things? Where are my things? Where can they be? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Is it on your table? No. Is it under the desk? No. Is it in the drawer? No. Where is it? It is behind the curtains. Where are my things? Where are my things? Where are my things? Where can they be? Where are my books? Where are my books? Review and write. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.